In this video, we guide you through the steps to prevent your iPhone from automatically turning off. Whether you're tired of constantly unlocking your device or the screen turns off automatically when you read or watch something, then follow my steps because I'm going to show you how you can prevent that. The process is absolutely the same on any iPhone model and on any iOS version. So the first thing that we'll do is to open the settings, and after that we will open the display and brightness section. We'll see a couple of different settings regarding our display, and we need to tap on this auto lock section. Mine is set to 30 seconds, which means that my iPhone is going to dim the display and it will turn off automatically after 30 seconds. If you want to disable this completely, simply set it to never. This way, our iPhone will not turn off automatically, but we will have to lock it manually by pressing the power button. It's a good idea to set this to 5 minutes, because you may forget to lock your device and the screen will be turned on, which will drain your battery significantly. But that's it for this simple video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.